I just earned over $435 online just by listening to music. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same just by using your laptop or your smartphone, even if your account is brand new. It's going to make you so much money. It's left so many people in awe, and you're next. So to start, all you have to do is open up. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So make sure that you have your smartphone or your laptop with you. Since this method is free, you're going to be able to use it even if you're just a newbie who's never earned money online before. So you just have to watch this entire video to know how to make money, and it's free, it's worldwide available, and let's jump right into it. So the first thing that you're gonna have to do is to go onto this website that is called Mixkit.co. And as you can see, Mixkit.co is a website where you can find free assets that you can use in your projects. Now, we're not gonna make any projects, but we are gonna be using this website to listen to music and making money from it. So in a bit, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to listen to music tracks like these ones and start making money. As you can see here, up to $30. Now we're just going to scroll down here, and you're going to see that there are a lot of pages of people from all over the world already using this method just to make some money online and just by listening to music. Now, you're going to scroll down on Mixkit to see all of the music tracks that we're going to be using to make money on this website. All of these audio clips, they're completely free, and you can actually use them without permission or even signing up on their website. Now, there's a lot and like thousands of songs on this website, and in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 special tips that's going to help you make even more money using this website. Now, you're going to scroll to the most top of the page where it says genre, and then you're going to hover your mouse over it to see all of the music genres that you can access using this website. So we can make money off of any of these genres, so go ahead and open either the acoustic one or the hip-hop one or whatever you want, and then you're going to see all of the tracks that you can download for completely free. You can also find hundreds of free downloadable hip-hop tracks on this page. And to start, okay, let's get started with this song right here. You're just going to click the play button to start listening to it, because there are a lot of songs that you can choose from. You do not have to listen to the whole song. Now, I want you guys to find the download button, which is just under the play button, and click it to process and to download that music to your computer. As soon as the download is complete, you can repeat that process with other track like this one right here, and then you're going to download it again to your computer. And in order to make the most amount of money using this method, you have to keep on doing this and downloading as many songs as you possibly can. And I'm going to show you how we're going to make a lot of money with all of these downloaded music files in a bit. Why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin? Whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. So for step number 2, we're going to go onto this website called up-forever.org. And up-forever is a website that will pay you to upload your files and images. But we are going to be uploading all of the music tracks that we had just downloaded from Mixkit.co on this website. And every time someone downloads our music files from up-forever, we're going to make money. It's super easy technique to make some money online. All you have to do is go back to Mixkit.co and download any track from any of the categories given, and then you're gonna upload the track onto up-forever. And then this website actually has a 4-tier payment structure that basically categorizes the amounts that you're going to earn depending on where you come from and depending on where you receive the majority of your downloads. For example, for downloads from the United States and Canada, they're in Tier 1, Australia is in Tier 2, Saudi Arabia and the UAE are in Tier 3, and the rest of the world is in Tier 4. That just means that downloads from Tier 4 nations will earn you at least $4. Tier 3 and Tier 2 nations will earn you around $5, while Tier 1 countries will earn you around $8. So there's at least 5 profit possibilities available on this website, including the paid per download, paid per referral, mixed website banners, and also the ability to sell your files. Now, I want to mention that they have over 20 different payment methods that you can choose from, and they're going to provide you with the most electronic bank widely used even in local and Arab countries to be able to just facilitate the arrival of payments no matter where you are, like PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Western Union, Cash Plus, and several more. Also, their minimum payment is merely $1, so you can withdraw your money as soon as you make your first dollar. So now it's time to show you some real-life demonstrations on how you can make money right now using this website. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell so that you're going to be notified whenever we have a new video posted. And let's keep going. Okay, so over here, we're going to click on the sign up button, and the sign up process is very easy. It's going to take you less than a minute to complete. And as always, you're going to type in your username, and then you're going to provide them with a password. You're going to enter in your email, click the CAPTCHA. Finally, you're going to click on the sign up button. And by the way, if you do want to sign in with either your Facebook, your Twitter, your Google account, you are free to do so. And as soon as your account is ready to go, you can go on over here, click welcome, select my account, and then you are gonna be taken to your dashboard. Now, this is a completely brand new account, and I am gonna show you step by step how you can set it up so that you can make easy and effortless earnings like the ones we had just shown you. By the way, make sure to click on the payment details tab and finish setting up your desired payment option. And as soon as you've done that, you can choose the appropriate category and click on save. And now let's go on to the left side of this page and then click on upload files. And on this page is where we can actually start uploading the music files that we had just downloaded earlier into the website. But before you actually start downloading, you have to make sure that you read the warnings at the top of the page. So you're not allowed to upload any material that violates the terms of service, or your account will be terminated. Second, you make sure that your ad blocker is turned off. This could interfere with the uploading process. And then we'll start uploading the music file right away, right now, by clicking this button. And as soon as it's finished, you're gonna see it right here. And another bonus tip is that you have to make sure you select public so that the other people can access your music file. And another bonus tip is to make sure you fill in the name of the music track and the name of the artist, which you can do by going to the Mixkit website, finding the name of the song and the name of the artist, which you can then insert into this box right here to really make sure your files go up. And as soon as you've done that, you can click on start download. Wait just a few seconds, and it depends on your internet connection. If it's fast, then the process will be completed right away. And the songs will be uploaded and saved. And the next step is to choose a price for your music file so that every time someone downloads it, you're going to be able to get paid at least $8. Then you're going to do the method as many times as you want. And then you can go back to the Mixkit website, get the music files, and get paid for them. For a long time, if you do this and set everything up correctly, you're going to be making money passively, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.